Yo, so I'm gonna go around. Like I told you, I'm gonna show you what's where and how we can do it. And Marmaris, I live here in the winter time as well. I live here all the time. So it's actually a lot to do in Marmaris in the winter time. Maybe you wanna come for dentistry. Maybe you wanna come for a hair implant through the winter, or maybe you wanna just come stay through the winter for a couple of months. It's not very hard, to come and stay here in the winter time. You can get like a visa for a couple of months and stay here, and it's gonna cost you so much less than where you are. I know the gas price, electric price going sky high around Europe and UK. Why not come and stay here then? Let me show you. Stay with me. Is the Mudo concept. Mudo is right down the beachfront on the main road, not too far from the statue. Actually, is about 5-minute walkway from the statue. It's called Mudo City. Whole this building has everything in it. I'm gonna bring you in. I'm gonna show you. I think you should know this shop because it is high-end quality, not the branded stuff, but it is high-end quality stuff. Is a Turkish brand, and I think you should know about this shop because it has good stuff for you. Has house texture, house furniture too. Like for example, like this. And it's on second item is 50% discount. What is that? 110 was £5. 220 lira. I'm not gonna show you the old prices. It's gonna take a long time. But I'm gonna show you just the shop. Actually, okay. It's like really good quality, like what you buy fake stuff here in Marmaris when you come. If you're looking for some real stuff, this is the where you can get the real deal Turkish stuff. The Turkey as a textile, we making with a lot of companies around the world. We making for them actually, and the same coat they have it in Moncler probably, but there's no Moncler one, real one here as well. It's not just clothes, shoes, bags, house furnitures, and everything is here. You must definitely come to visit here if you like this kind of stuff. I don't know what would you call this. Shabby chic, modern. This kind of stuff, Love it. It's awesome. And the prices is not like so expensive actually, How much is this? What's it say? How much is it? No price. What the heck? It's a price tag. 499 lira for a jumper. It's a 500, about what? £25, about 26 euro for jumper. The normal jumper. 450 lira. It's about 22 pound 50, about 23 euro. £999 lira, 99p, or 1000 lira, which is about £50, 51 euro. Yep. You will still see the people sunbathing and enjoying themselves and going in the sea. The sea water is about 25 degree, between 27 degree. Winter time, the sea water is warmest. Now going in the pool, definitely it's cold in the pool. But Fredonia Cafe here as well. You see, down the beachfront, all the restaurant is not open, but a lot of them is still open down the beachfront. You can come and enjoy yourself with your family in the winter time. And it will be some sunbeds. Like at the moment, there's lots of sunbeds, but about 1 month time, this will be like half of these sunbeds down here. Icon, very different boutique, has a like different cut of clothing and stuff if you want. And the Bono, you must definitely come to visit the Bono if you're down the beachfront. It is the place you should come. It's a bistro restaurant, and this has its own beach, private beach, so you can come to the private beach here and enjoy yourself. And down the beachfront, few hotels is open at the beachfront, not all of them. This is the one of them is open. It's Ray's Beach Hotel. It's called Yeşil Restaurant. Just that one. What's there? It is the best, one of the best Turkish cuisine, like barbecue restaurant. Should definitely visit. You will like it. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna love it. This is view of the Marmaris. It's still here, and it will be here as well, guys. When you come, you will enjoy yourself. You'll have good times. Not all of the excursions on the winter time, but you can go fishing and you can come to the beach, or you can rent a private, right? We can rent a car, or you can go with the taxis all around the bay, all the coast and stuff. I'm gonna make a video about what else this will be around the Marmaris for a winter time. If you wanna watch more videos like this, push that subscribe button. If you didn't push it yet, press the like button. Put the comments down below. Which place is your best place in Marmaris to visit? See you later, everybody. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Love you all. Hello everyone again. Right here, I'm with you again. Gonna bring around the town, one of the best shops in town in Marmaris. It's called Mudo Concept. Let's go have a look what the Mudo Concept is waiting for you. Life is so much better with sunny days, and we have a lot of them in this winter time here. The temperature is about 20, between 30 degrees some days. Just in the morning is really cold. You see lots of restaurants closed on the marina, but it is a lot of them still open as well. Do you know which one? Let me show you. Stay with me, guys. And here is all real shop, not fake shit like in the Grand Bazaar and stuff. But here you will get like upgrade, high quality, everything here. Love the setup up here, and the layout is so nice. It's a coffee shop, Robert's Coffee is a coffee world, like a Starbucks is in the middle in there as well. Nice, awesome decorations here at the moment, and these trees and stuff. Upstairs, like a couple offices and stuff. Downstairs is all the shops, and there is a restaurant. All nice restaurants. Most of the nice restaurant is done here, you know. The Robert's Coffee is here opened as well. Starbucks just right in the middle. Coffee. Cash point, of course. Cash point. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the shops, some of the shops. Real deal, no fake deal.
Bilmem para da herhalde başka işi bırakıyor. Çoğu başka birisine başlıyorlar. Çünkü aylık bilgisi alıyor.
Awesome, love it. Madame Coco. I don't know if you have it where you are, but if you want some house stuff, you should definitely come visit this shop. You're gonna love it, guys. It's has everything about home, you know. And it's like shabby chic style, I'd say, you know. There's a couple of them in Marmaris if you're looking for it. And there is a Starbucks just right in the middle of the marina. Is a Starbucks. If you're a coffee drinker, if you like a coffee, come join the Star Cafe in the marina. And jewelry items as well. Michael Silver, there's a silver shop. You can come in and get a silver or real stuff. 925, not a fake shit, don't worry. And all real, majestic, marina, oh, real leather, genuine leather, everything just here in majestic. Like some of you asking me sometimes, they say, no, it's everything fake. No, it's not everything fake, man. Where are you going? Around the hotel, the shops around the hotels, nearly all of them, does fake stuff because, sorry guys, but you tourists looking for the fake stuff, that's why they doing the fake stuff around there, you know. But normally, if you're looking for real stuff, genuine stuff, there is a shop for genuine stuff as well. Like G-Star, Diesel, Armani. Would you pay for extras? If you want real stuff, you pay a little bit more, you know, and get a real deal. And it's still cheaper than UK or Europe, you know, the real stuff here. And glass, like glass shop, guys. This is a glass shop as well. Still optic down in Marina. Real glasses, not fake one. And there's a watch shop as well. Real watch shop, not the fake ones. Not like you get in from the other places, you know. Hope this has been helpful to you. I've been trying to show you around Marmaris what you can do in the winter time, where you can go. This place is still open and waiting for you. Would you like to enjoy your Christmas in Marmaris? You can get a connecting flight from Istanbul, from Izmir, or from Antalya to here. There's the shops in Netsel Marina. Lots of shops. Yeah. And this is Kahve Dünyası, which means coffee world. Exactly similar like Starbucks, but Turkish version of it. Gorgeous coffee. Must definitely try this place as well if you're around the Marmaris. If you're a coffee drinker, come here, visit here, and enjoy here.
sunrise of Marmaris.